It's late February, and if you're looking at your plants right now and feeling a little discouraged, you aren't alone. This is the hardest time of year for indoor greenery. The heater has been running for months, the air is dry, and the light levels have been at their lowest. Welcome back to Leaf Legends. Today, we are going on a rescue mission. I'm breaking down the 4 most common signs of late winter stress and, more importantly, exactly how to fix them so your plants make it to the spring finish line. Let's save some legends. First up, brown, crispy leaf tips. This is the most common complaint I hear this month. It's almost always caused by a lack of humidity. Our furnaces blast dry air that sucks the moisture right out of tropical leaves. The fix? Stop misting. Misting only helps for about 10 minutes. Instead, group your plants together to create a microclimate, or set them on a pebble tray with a little water. If you really want to be a legend, grab a humidifier. Raising that humidity to just 50% can stop the browning in its tracks. Next, random yellowing leaves that fall off. If your plant is losing leaves near the bottom, it might just be winter shedding, but usually it's a sign of overwatering. Because plants grow slower in winter, they drink less. If you're still watering on your summer schedule, you're drowning them. The fix is simple. Use the finger test. Don't water until the top 2 inches of soil are dry. If the soil is already soggy, skip watering for a full week and let those roots breathe. Before our last 2 tips, here is a Leaf Legend pro tip. The sun's angle changes significantly in late February. A spot that was shady in December might be getting direct, scorching light now. Check your windowsill residence. If you see pale, washed-out leaves, they might be getting too much sun too fast. Slide them back just a few inches to help them acclimate. Problem 3 is etiolation, or legginess. This is when your plant grows long, weak stems with huge gaps between the leaves. It's a desperate reach for light. Don't be afraid to prune. Snipping those weak stems encourages the plant to stay bushy and strong. You can even propagate those cuttings we talked about in the last video. Move the plant to your brightest window, and it will start filling back out as the days get longer. Finally, keep an eye out for hitchhikers. Spider mites and scale love the warm, dry conditions of a heated home. If you see tiny webs or sticky residue, act fast. A simple wipe down with a mixture of water and a drop of dish soap can save the entire collection. Hang in there. Spring is only a few weeks away and your plants can feel it coming. A little extra attention right now is all they need to make a massive comeback. I want to know which of your plants is struggling the most right now? Drop the name in the comments and let's figure out a rescue plan together. If you want to keep your jungle thriving, hit that subscribe button and join the Leaf Legends family. Happy growing, and I'll see you in the next one.